Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the sound effects. So based on this video, I'm going to give an overview about the sound effects. In this scene, we can see that a shark just comes and bangs through and breaks the boat. The ruffling sound also adds sound effects. This sound effect adds more tension to the video. The boat, which is like almost breaking and tearing apart, the sound effect is adding more thrill and adds more tension because we know that the shark is gonna hunt him down. Now when he takes his shotgun and climbs up to the top, this sound effect adds like a heroic sound, so which kind of tells us that he is going to kill the shark. But we have to wait and see. The sound effects now adds more tension because we will never know who is gonna die now. The atmosphere, which is him in a very hard place and he might fall and is trying to kill the very big shark.
Alright, come on. Show me the tank. Show me the tank. Blow up!
This scene shows that it's a do or die situation because one, he has to shoot the tank because it will explode, or else the shark will kill him. This song is adding more pressure.
You son of a...
And the last burst shows the shark has died and everything is very safe now. Thank you. This is the sound overview about Jaws.